This program was brought to you by PennyMac TPO. Visit tpo.pennymac.com to learn more about becoming a partner and starting your journey to greatness. With the people, products, and technology to take you there, it's why they say, at PennyMac, greatness lives here.
Welcome to The Interest, your daily breakdown of the news that matters. I'm Christine Stewart, and these are your headlines for today, May 16th. Our top story, rates fell for most mortgage types over the weekend, but don't get too excited. The rates for a 30-year and 15-year fixed-rate mortgage fell slightly, as did the 30-year fixed jumbo. The rate on a 5/1 ARM did go up. Mortgage rates have been surging across the board, so this dip might sound like good news for buyers. But Bankrate economist Greg McBride says rates are likely to keep going up while home prices remain at all-time highs. Mortgage rates continue to surge as they have since the beginning of the year, as the outlook takes shape for the Fed rate hikes that are sooner and faster than previously expected. In other news, home building materials are up 19% from last year as problems continue to plague the industry. Prices for goods and services both skyrocketed last spring, only to come back down toward the end of 2021. Costs have been on the rise once again since the start of the year and are now 35% higher than at the start of the pandemic. The price of transportation, warehousing, and other services have spiked rapidly since the start of the year. Meanwhile, lumber, steel, and ready-mix concrete and other goods needed for residential construction have also become more expensive. Fannie Mae's $5 million call for ideas to advance racial equity in housing is open. The GSE announced today the launch of its 2022 Sustainable Communities Innovation Challenge. It's looking for ideas that remove barriers currently preventing many households, including Black households, from purchasing or renting a home. The deadline for applications is June 17th. And finally, Rex wants a federal judge to force changes in how Zillow lists homes on the market. Rex requested the injunction last week as part of a sprawling antitrust case against Zillow and the National Association of Realtors. The case centers on the way that Zillow aggregates listings for multiple services and places them on the company's website. Rex accused Zillow and NAR of colluding to suppress Rex's listings by placing them in a hidden, deceptively labeled tab. In fact, Rex says its latest filing that Zillow initially was against segregating MLS listings from other offerings, but Zillow eventually agreed for business reasons. Zillow even lobbied against the rule because mandatory segregation runs counter to consumer interest. Nevertheless, Zillow voluntarily agreed to segregate MLS listings from other competitive listings to reap the benefits of the NAR MLS membership. We reached out to NAR and Zillow this morning but got no response. NAR countersued Rex earlier this year, accusing the company of deceiving customers into avoiding multiple listing services.
This program was brought to you by PennyMac TPO. Visit tpo.pennymac.com to learn more about becoming a partner and starting your journey to greatness.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to mortgagenewsnetwork.com.